Turkey's brand new high-quality water Elmacık is presented to you with the assurance of A.O.Ç Forest Farm, which is Turkey's most established and reliable institution. A.O.Ç Forest Farm, which has been the symbol of trust and quality in products such as milk, buttermilk, yogurt, butter, fruit juices, honey, vinegar and molasses, now brings the consumers together with Turkey's highest quality water with Elmacık natural mineral water. Using its high-tech facility which removes the need for human contact, Elmacık is brought to consumers in its pure and natural form, just like it is at its source. There is no human interaction or additional processes to ruin its natural form, bringing pure, healthy and unprocessed water to you. Elmacık is bottled using the latest technology with automated packaging systems and fully automatic machines without losing its naturalness. Elmacık is presented to consumers as natural mineral water in accordance with European Union regulations. Elmacık comes straight from the source at Golyaka in the Elmacık Mountains in Hendek City, Sakarya Province. The source is located above the residential areas at an elevation of 1,060 meters. The natural environment of the water source is fully protected, with no buildings or facilities that can cause water pollution in its neighborhoods. Elmacık Natural Mineral Water Bottling Plant, which is built using the latest technology, has an area of 70,000 square meters in total, with 12,500 square meters closed and 57,500 square meters open. With its existing machine park, Elmacık is the most modern and high-tech bottling plant in Turkey. One of the most distinguishing factors from other waters is that it can bottle its water securely without ozonization by means of its high technology. The risk of contamination emerging at the 3 stages at a classic bottling plant has been removed by Elmacık's special pipeline and effectively designed bottling plant that is equipped with the latest technology. In the first phase, instead of the common method of using small ponds, Elmacık uses special pipelines to expel air pressure which is created during transportation of the water through the pipelines. The use of small ponds can create an environment conducive to the growth of microorganisms which can contaminate the water. The special pipelines used by Elmacık prevent growth of microorganisms by protecting the water against air and all external influences. In the second phase, in order to prevent the growth of microorganisms and avoid sediment-based contamination, water tanks are not used at Elmacık Natural Mineral Water Bottling Plant. In this way, contamination of water is successfully prevented at the project design phase. In a third and last phase, owing to its high technology, Elmacık can do preform inflating, filling and capping in the same cabin. In this way, water and preforms have no contact with the ambient air and therefore contamination of water is prevented. At Elmacık Natural Mineral Water Bottling Plant, through the use of very special HEPA filters at EU standards, water is bottled in a healthy and natural way in Class 100 cleanroom. Dear Professor İsmail Peker, what is ozone? Ozone is a natural gas in the atmosphere. It has a blue colour and a sharp odour. It is used to remove substances from water such as bacteria, moulds, yeasts and viruses that are harmful to health. During the ozonization of water, the minerals in the water change. If there are substances like bromine, ozonization converts them to bromates. Bromate is a substance that is harmful to health. At the same time, there may be a slight change in the taste of water. We do not recommend ozonization as it slightly changes the nature of water. For these reasons, Elmacık delivers its water to consumers with its most natural form without the use of ozone for disinfecting purpose. Another important feature that separates Elmacık from the other brands is that it uses 5-gallon water bottles that do not contain BPA. Dear Professor İsmail Peker, what is BPA? BPA is a chemical substance called bisphenol A. This substance can be found in some plastics like polycarbonate, PVC, and in raw plastic materials that can become hardened after being formed. In Turkey, BPA usage in baby bottles has been prohibited by Turkish Ministry of Health since June 2011. New generation 5-gallon water bottles that are made from Triton copolyester do not contain BPA. Customers can drink this water with no hesitation and a peace of mind since Elmacık uses 5-gallon water bottles that do not contain BPA. It is our company's principle to use BPA-free 5-gallon water bottles even though they cost more and their lifetime is shorter. Turkish Ministry of Health has approved Elmacık as a natural mineral water due to its minerals and nutrition facts. Elmacık natural mineral water contributes to your health with its ideal pH value of 7.96. Consuming 2.5 litres a day meets your daily water needs and contributes to your daily mineral requirements. Dear Professor İsmail Peker, what is pH? pH is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of a substance. pH is a measure of the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution. Substances that have a pH of 0 are strong acids, and substances that have a pH of 14 are strong alkalis. The pH of potable water lies within the range of 6.5 to 8.5. Alkaline water has a pH level of 7 to 8.5. The pH of blood is also within the range of 7.35 to 7.45. Water with a pH greater than 8.5 is strong alkaline water, and it is not suitable or safe for drinking. In the advanced and technological laboratories of Elmacık natural mineral water bottling plants, an expert team carries out all possible tests and analyses pursuant to directives of EU and Turkish Ministry of Health. Elmacık natural mineral water is bottled in its pure and natural form, just like it is at its source, with the assurance of Ataturk Forest Farm. There are 3 different bottling lines in Elmacık plant that are computer controlled. In our first bottling line, the water is bottled into 0.33 litre, 0.5 litre, 1 litre and 1.5 litre sized plastic bottles without ozonisation. In this line, 40,000 plastic bottled water can be bottled per hour. In our second line, 6,000 5 litre or 3,000 10 litre sized plastic bottles can be bottled per hour. In our 5-gallon bottle line, there is a cleaning unit that consists of 28 stations where the bottles are deep cleaned. Here, 1,800 5-gallon bottles can be bottled per hour without ozonisation. Instead of the conventional rack system that is used in storage and shipment of 5-gallon bottles, Elmacık uses a specially designed plastic pallet system. Not only is the plastic pallet system a more convenient way of storing the 5-gallon bottles in dealer shops, but the system also protects the bottles and ensures they are delivered to customers with no damage. Our vision is to make Elmacık one of the top 5 brands in its sector within 5 years. Also, Elmacık aims to provide the best service in the beverage industry and become the most approachable brand to our consumers. Our business partners, distributors, sales points and consumers will generate the most important link of our brand and company power while we achieve our targets. Our company has already implemented its 3-year marketing, PR, TV and other advertisement plans to effectively communicate Elmacık brand and its high-quality water to its consumers. The interactive page at our company website, You Ask, We Answer, enables consumers to address their questions about water to Professor İsmail Peker, who is an expert and a researcher in the field of water, and to his staff. Elmacık establishes a close and warm relationship with its consumers by using social media, which is today's widely used communications platform, and all other marketing communications tools. With its experienced staff, Atasu has the principle of acting pursuant to the current laws, regulations and directives in every piece of its work. Atasu, which has just completed its first phase of investment with the brand name Elmacık, has long-term objectives for creating new products in the beverage industry. Elmacık is Turkey's brand new ozone and BPA-free water.